Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics are no longer futuristic concepts. They are rapidly transforming industries and automating tasks once thought to be exclusive to humans. This technological revolution is reshaping the job market as we know it. Many jobs that exist today are at risk of disappearing in the coming decades. The driving force behind this transformation is automation. Machines and algorithms can now perform tasks previously done by humans, often with greater efficiency and accuracy. This shift has profound implications for the workforce, potentially displacing millions of workers from their current jobs. However, this technological disruption is not entirely new. Throughout history, technological advancements have always led to job displacement. The Industrial Revolution, for example, saw the automation of many manual labor jobs. However, it also created new opportunities and industries. The current wave of automation is different in its scale and scope. It is not just manual labor jobs at risk, but also those requiring cognitive skills. This essay will explore some of the jobs most likely to vanish by 2045 due to automation and discuss the implications for the future of work. The rapid advancement of automation technologies poses a significant threat to numerous jobs across various sectors. Here are some professions on the verge of being replaced by machines. Drivers, self-driving vehicles could displace millions of truck, taxi, and delivery drivers. Farmers, robots and drones are taking over tasks like planting and harvesting. Printers and publishers. Digital media and automation reduce the need for human workers. Cashiers, self-checkout kiosks are becoming more sophisticated. Travel agents, online booking, and AI assistants automate travel planning. Manufacturing workers, robots handle tasks from assembly to quality control. Dispatchers, AI optimizes routes and schedules, replacing human dispatchers. Waiting tables and bartending technology like tablets and automated systems are used in restaurants. Bank tellers, online banking, and ATMs reduce the need for tellers. Military pilots and soldiers. Drones and unmanned technologies change warfare, reducing the need for human roles. Predicting the exact timeline for these job displacements is challenging. The pace of technological advancement and adoption varies across industries. Factors such as government regulations, economic conditions, and social acceptance can also influence the speed of automation. While some jobs may disappear entirely, others may evolve, with technology augmenting human capabilities rather than replacing them. For instance, while robots might handle repetitive tasks in manufacturing, human workers could take on more specialized roles requiring creativity and problem-solving skills. The uncertainty surrounding the future of work can be daunting for many. However, it is crucial to remember that technological disruption also presents opportunities for innovation and growth. The key to navigating this rapidly changing job market is adaptability. Workers need to embrace lifelong learning and develop skills that are in high demand. This might involve retraining for new roles or upskilling within their current professions. Governments and educational institutions have a crucial role to play in preparing the workforce for the future. Investing in education and training programs that focus on STEM skills, digital literacy, and critical thinking will be essential. Moreover, fostering an entrepreneurial spirit and encouraging the development of new technologies and industries will create new job opportunities. The future of work may look different from today, but it also holds the potential for exciting new possibilities.